Welcome back, everyone. So this is day 2 in my journey to lose 5 pounds in 90 days. I'm walking. This is my second lap. Because of work, I'm probably just going to do 2 laps this morning. And it already took, because I'm walking slowly, it's already about, I think I took about close to 50 minutes already. So it was a slow stroll. And it helps my body to recuperate, and it burns some calories. So it's 1.5 hours a day. So I did at least about half of it. And then tonight I do another half of that, which is 45 minutes. So as far as tonight, I could either run or walk. I guess it depends how I feel. Or I could do Zumba dance. Definitely I'm not going to do any weight training type of exercise until I give myself one more day of rest. Then tomorrow. Yesterday I rested, today I rested, so tomorrow I will do hopefully I could do a weight training. If I still feel sore, then I'll wait for one more day. So I have 3 days of rest. So I'm learning to try to have a sense of the recovery aspect, how rested the body is before I do any kind of serious type of exercise. But walking, I can do it every day. So to get the 1.5 hours, it's not that hard if you don't, if you just walk. All right. As far as eating whole food, plant-based diet, that's the research. But then there's I just learned from another, a friend in the church life, in the church, saying that he watched a video about how to deal with a coronavirus. It's a medical doctor in China, and they have a lot of cases there, so the doctor has some experience, and he found out that for every 100 people that caught the coronavirus, 15 people will develop symptoms. The other 75 will be asymptomatic. That means they don't have no symptoms. And the 15 that do have symptoms, serious symptoms, out of those 15, 3 will die. And then the medical doctor said it's important to get healthy protein. And when he said healthy protein, he described animal protein. 4 eggs and 2 cups of milk. So that's that medical doctor's advice. He's saying that antibodies for the coronavirus is developed through protein. You got to have sufficient amount of protein. And he, I guess, recommended eggs and milk. One is from the chicken and the other one is from the cow. So those are animal protein. I don't know how authoritative it is or based upon research. At least that's what he said. That's what he observed, I guess. So that's another aspect. Now we're talking about developing antibodies. So I take everything with a grain of salt. A grain of salt. But I am eating some amount of animal protein. Tuna, chicken breast, chili, and sardines. I do get satisfied from them, and I do have my appetite fulfilled, and it tastes good. So that's my experience. As far as long-term health and develop antibodies, I don't know, because the 2 books saying that especially the book How Not to Die, from the top 15 diseases, that the best diet is vegan, whole food, plant-based. And it's based upon thousands and thousands of peer-reviewed literature, double-blind studies, placebo and control group side by side. So anyway, but I also know that we are all an experiment of one. And I do feel better when I eat some amount of animal protein. That's my own experience. But I don't know, am I being deceived? And I don't know what's happening to affect my heart and how it's affecting cancer growth. That I don't know. Anyway, day 2. Don't forget to smash the subscribe, the like, and we'll see you in the next video.